Hi guys, welcome. Today on Thursday. Yes, let me show you. It's Thursday, November the 3rd, 2022. Not so good news today because we have only one regular puzzle. Yes, it's a medium Sudoku. There is no additional. Let me show you again. No extra puzzles. So 2 days in a row with no extra puzzles, no additional. What I will do, the puzzles, I believe, of Monday, yes, Monday edition, we have some puzzles left. Monday, October the 31st. Let me show you. Yes, this is the Monday edition. Monday, October the 31st. Yes, 3 puzzles are left. The letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, and the tectonic. Yes, I will do this later on, maybe in the evening. But first, let me start with this regular Sudoku medium. Let me focus this. Okay. Come on. Alright. Position. Focus. Come on, focus. Yes. Alright, so let's get started with this one. This one will be number, I believe, 5424. Yeah, 5424. 5424. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26, I believe. 26 printed digits is a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve. But for a puzzle with 26 printed digits, if we compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, and the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. 15 to 20 minutes. Is this really a 2 stars? We don't know. We will see if this is really a 2 stars puzzle. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 7. We have a 9 and a 7 in the first row. So no 9 and 7 in these 2 boxes. The 9 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 7, 9 and 7. We have a 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left now in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have an 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. 2 in the third row. 2. Oh wait, we have a pair. 2 and a 6 in the third row. 2 and a 6 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the middle column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 6 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left now in the first row. 4 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. We have a pair again. No, not the pair again. No. Let me see. 9. 1, 2, yeah, 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1, 148, 148, 148, 148, and yeah, we have a 4 in this column, so no 4 there. Here, 4 in the middle column, so no 4 there. So the only place left for the 4 should be there. So the 1 and the 8 are missing now. 1 and 8, 1 and 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for 8 should be there. Then we have a pair, the 1 and the 5 in this column, the 1 and the 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Okay. Alright. 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Let me wait. 6 and that. Oh, wait. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, 9. 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9, 6, 7, 9. And look, we have a 6 in this column, middle column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 7 and a 9. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the middle column, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. Then. 2 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and a 9, 7 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Ooh, okay. And now. How about the 7 in this row, the 7 in the last row? So the row between, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here. Or there, we see a 7 in the last column. No 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So that column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there. Here, 7 in that row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 7. Okay, then. Let me see which number can I pick. Pick. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in the second column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes here. 4 in this row, middle row, so no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 4, okay. Now, 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the middle row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5 and a 6, 5 and a 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, or there. We see here 5 in this column, no 5 there. Here 5 in the column next, so no 5 there. So the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 5. Okay. Alright. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row above. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in the first column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 9. Okay. Then let me see 1 and 3. Okay, what's the next digit? How about 1 number left in this row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the in the middle row. Those missing numbers in the middle row are the numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 2 in the last column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 6 it goes there. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers the 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. The 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. So we have a 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 3 in the last row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. So we have a 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the first column, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers now in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 1 and an 8, 1 and 8. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the first column. No 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. Told you. Well, I'm faster than a 15 to 20 minutes. So is this really a 2 stars? Well, let me give this a 1 star. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And, well, we will meet again later on, maybe in the evening, for the other 3 puzzles. Yes, let me show you these puzzles in the Monday edition, Monday, October the 31st. Yeah, in the evening I will do those 3 puzzles. Yeah, the tectonic. All right, so have a great and fantastic Thursday. Otherwise, we will meet again tonight in the evening with the other 3 puzzles in the additional of the Monday edition. Until then, bye bye for now.